Control number 44272, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Bernadette Corey, and I'm 30 years old, single mom, and I have one daughter, 12 years old, and I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters, and I'm the youngest one.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm a high school graduate from Borongan Eastern Samar
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
to work to earn money to help my family needs.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, but I have an experience here in Philippines.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
Yes.
What can you do for elderly?
Feed them, taking a bath.
Do you have experience of taking care of a newly born babies and children?
Yes.
What can you do for babies and children?
Play with them, taking a bath, and change diaper.
Do you cook?
Yes.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Filipino food, Chinese food, and Italian food.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I'm a responsible and hardworking.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
Say sorry,
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
If you choose me, I will do my very best